In this video we are going to locate the onboard diagnostic connector and fuses. Before we do, just going to have a quick look around the car and go through the specs. The Ford KA on the template. To locate the OBD, where would it be on these things now? If we just remove this panel here, and you'll be presented with that. Right, to locate the fuses, I've got some in the glove box. So our next fuse box is this here, and that holds your auxiliary fuses. Well, I don't have a lot of patience with this, so I'm just going to bring that forward, and you can just see them tucked underneath there. Yeah, that's it.